whole day, and
Okay.
my phone has completely blanked out, so I cannot even like access it for some
Okay.
reason. So I'm not
Mm-hmm.
even able to open today's test. Is it fine if I send it a bit later?
Okay. Emma, are you logged in with your laptop right now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm logged in, but not on my WhatsApp, on my mom's WhatsApp. But I
Okay.
think my mom is on the group, so I can use to that. I'll try.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Emma. Send it to me tomorrow then. Okay. Your deadline for sending the the science paper is tomorrow. Okay. And maths paper I'll keep on Tuesday. Okay. Next week,
Okay,
Tuesday,
ma'am.
because we are busy tomorrow, Independence Day. So next week, Tuesday, we will do
Okay, ma'am.
the math paper. Okay. Today, we will try out some more questions on profit and loss. Okay, some questions on profit and loss. Now, see, sometimes what may happen is you will get questions with a combination of unitary method and profit and loss. Okay, where you have unitary method also and profit and loss also. Take a look at this question. Take a look at this question. A man purchased eggs at the rate of rupees 48 per dozen, rupees 48 per dozen. At what price? At what price or at what rate per egg per egg should he sell? Per egg, per egg should he sell to receive a profit of 15%? To receive 15% profit. Okay, means that one dozen has 12 eggs. He bought
Ma'am, I think I know how to do this, ma'am. First,
okay.
we'll find how much is 15% of 48 rupees. Of 48 rupees. And then add that 15% to 48 rupees. After adding that, the answer that we'll get is we'll divide that answer by 48 in order to get how much should he sell one egg for.
Okay. All right. Any other ideas? Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
One minute, my device just got hanged. Okay, until then, you all try this out. First of all, we will calculate the cost price of, like we have cost price 48 per dozen. We'll calculate for one egg. Okay, we'll calculate for one egg. Cost price per egg will be how much? 48 divided by 12. Okay. That is rupees 4. Rupees 4. Okay. Now we will calculate selling price per egg. Selling price per egg with 15% profit. With 15% profit.
Ma'am, you'll have to sell each egg for one rupees, 1.1 rupee. If he wants to earn 15% profit.
Okay. Profit per no, Abraham, I don't think so. See, I'm calculating the selling price per egg with 15% profit. Okay, that is 15% of 4. Upon 100. 4. I'll get rupees 0.60. Okay, now I'll calculate the selling price of per egg. Okay, selling price of per egg. This is my profit actually. Okay, this is profit.
So, ma'am, then you add the profit to the
Yes, Abraham, selling price.
4.6.
4.60. Yes. Now this is you can make this like calculating profit. You can write to avoid confusion. You're calculating profit with the help of profit percent. Now we will calculate the selling price. Selling price formula. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am. There will be never such question that is asking us to that the man wants a loss of 15%. No question like that will come.
The man wants a
Loss of 15%.
See, Abraham, the question says that at what rate per egg should he sell to receive a 15% profit? How at what rate per egg should he sell to receive a 15% profit? So that is why we calculated per egg cost price, calculated per egg cost price, then we calculated per egg profit, and now we are calculating per egg selling price. We are calculating per egg selling price. Okay. So 4 plus profit is how much? Profit is how much? Your profit is 0.60.
0.60.
Yes, and your per egg will be 4.60 rupees. After adding 15% profit, it will be rupees 4.60. Okay.
Ma'am, can you give us a question like this?
Yes, Abraham. Okay. What your book has done, guys, your book has assumed that we have to find out cost of 100x. Okay. The book has assumed that you have to find out on the basis of 100x. Okay. I don't know why they did 100, but what they did is this. They did 4 till here, it was right. Then they did 100x, cost of 100x, 100 into 4, 400. Profit is 15%. Profit on 100x will be 15 upon 100 into 400. That is rupees 60. Rupees 60. Then they found out SP of 100x. 100x is equals to 400 plus 60. 460. This is what they have done in the book. Okay. They have done it by assuming that we are finding the SP of 100x. Okay. So, but I think the question you have to find out per egg. Okay, per egg. Because your question says that at what rate per egg should he sell to receive 15% profit? What rate per egg should he sell? Right. So that is why I think it is per egg selling price that we have to find out. Okay, you can do the book method also. What is helpful in the book method is that they assumed 100. Answer is same, see 4.60 and 460. Almost the same thing we are getting because that this is for one egg, okay, and this is for 100 eggs. So that is why the difference is coming. If you want to do for the 100 eggs, assuming 100, that is also okay. Okay, because that gives you whole numbers. That gives you whole numbers, and you take 100x as the base and then do it. That's also fine. All right. Understood.
Ma'am, I had tried doing it where I first did 48. I found for 15% of 48 and then divided that entire number by 48. I was not getting the answer.
You're not getting the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, what we will do is we will try out one more question. Okay. We'll try out one more question. Okay, take a look at this question. It is a good question. A man purchased. I'm clearing the screen, okay? Have you all written? A man purchased oranges at the rate of rupees 72 per dozen. Rupees 72 per dozen means 12 oranges for rupees 72. At what rate per 100 he should sell them to get 20% profit? At what rate? At what rate per 100 should he sell them? To get 20% profit. 20% profit. First, calculate the cost price of the cost price per orange. Then, since
Ma'am,
the
it's
question,
$6 per orange.
yes,
6
Amma.
rupees per orange.
Yes, Amma. 6 rupees per orange. Now the question says that at what rate per 100 should he sell them to get 20% profit? Now calculate the cost price for 100 oranges. One orange, 100 oranges, find out. Okay.
Ma'am, 600.
600. Yes, Amma. Now calculate 20% profit. Calculate 20% of 600. Calculate 20% of 600. That would be a profit.
Ma'am, 120, I think.
Yes, Abraham, 100. Now what you will do is, you will find out the selling price by adding cost price and profit. Add CPM profit to find out the selling price.
Thank you.
Ma'am, isn't
Ma'am,
20% of 60 12?
No,
We're finding of 600.
ma'am,
yes,
so
you're
the
finding
oranges are 720 rupees per 100 to get 20% profit.
yes, Abraham, 720 is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Both of y'all. Okay. Yes, Joshua, what are you asking?
Isn't 20% of 60 12?
20% of 600 we are finding, Joshua. 600. Okay. 600. Where 600 came from? I'll do the solution and I'll show you. Okay. First we calculate the cost price per orange. Cost price per orange means one orange. So we divide 72 by 12. Okay. 6 rupees. Then we will find out cost price for 100 orange, because question says per 100. So cost price of 100 orange will be 6 into 100 rupees 600. Then the question says 20% profit. So we calculate profit percent you are having now. You'll calculate price of profit in number. So for that you will do profit percentage upon 100 upon cost price into your 600. So profit, find out profit by 20 upon 100. 20 upon 100 into cost price. Okay, cancel. 26 or 6 12 6 2s are 12 and 0, 120 rupees. You have cost price, you have profit. Now with this profit, you'll find out the selling price. Selling price formula is cost price plus profit. Cost price is what? 600. Selling profit is what? 120. Selling price becomes how much? 720 rupees. Okay, very easy. This question this question looks hard, but the question is very simple. Okay, first you calculate the cost price of one thing per item. Then you calculate of 100, because question wants us to find out per 100 at the quantity of 100 how much it is going to be. So we calculated for 100. Then we have a profit of how much? We have a profit of 20%. We'll find out the actual profit. We have it in percent, so we have to convert it. That is percent upon 100 into cost price. So 120. Now selling price is what? CP, cost price plus profit. So 600 plus 120, we will get 720. Okay, very easy, right? Abraham and Emma and Joshua.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give us a
Yes,
sum
ma'am.
like this?
Can I give you all a sum like this? I'll give you all a sum like this for homework, Abraham.
Ma'am,
Let
could
me
you
finish.
repeat?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you didn't give us homework yesterday, ma'am.
I'll give you homework today, okay? I forgot it because of some work. Okay. No, I did I send you all the homework in the group? No? Yesterday.
Just more, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yesterday there was no homework.
No,
Okay.
ma'am, there was no homework history.
I'll send you all today. Okay, I'll send you all the homework today. Now take a look at this last question and then we'll finish the exercise and I'll give you the next exercise as homework, full thing. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, could you give us a similar sum like this, ma'am, to solve?
Hmm. Okay. There is a term called per score. Do you all know how much quantity is there in per score? 20.
Yeah.
Okay, 20. So remember, the next question I'm going to give you all per score. Okay, per score. How much in per score is? We have 20. Okay, solve this question right now. Let's try to solve this question right now. A woman purchased bananas at the rate of 90 rupees per score. At what rate per 100? At what rate per 100 should she sell them? Sell them to receive a profit of 25%.
Ma'am, after 90, there's a word, ma'am. I can't read it. Can you just say
Per,
what?
yes,
There's per
90
score.
per
Ma'am,
score.
can you, so now that you've written the question, can you put a line on the score and write 20?
Ma'am, what is it, ma'am? The
Yes,
word?
Emma. Yes.
4
90
equals to
rupees
20.
per.
4. 4 means 20.
Ma'am, what is it?
Yes.
90 rupees per.
Score.
Ma'am,
SCORE. Score.
ma'am, what's a
Or
score?
score is 20. Like in dozen we have 12. Okay. In dozen we have 12. Score we have 20. Okay. 20 pieces or 20 units of something. Okay. Here we have per score means 20 bananas. Okay. Solve this and find out. Solve this and find out.
Ma'am, so we can do 90 for 20. So 20 into 5 is 100, right?
Why 20 into 5, Emma?
Ma'am, oh no, sorry, by mistake.
Hmm.
Second. 90 divided by 8.
Ma'am, is the answer 106.25?
106.25. No, Abraham.
Ma'am, yes or no?
No, Abraham. What is the cost price per banana?
Ma'am, can you just repeat?
What is the cost price of per banana?
Ma'am, the cost price would be 85 rupees.
How 85?
Ma'am, is that correct?
Ma'am, 4.5 per banana.
4.54. 4.50 banana.
Yes, ma'am, 4.5.
Yes, that is the cost price per banana.
Yes, ma'am. And then you have to do that into 100, which is 450.
Yes. So what is the cost price for 100 banana?
Ma'am, 450.
Per banana, I was getting 8.5.
How 8.5, Abraham? See.
Ma'am, can you just repeat?
You have to do 90 divided by 20 into 100.
Yes, 90 divided by 20. No, not into 100. Per banana, you don't have to do into 100.
I'm finding it well. Ma'am, just give me a minute.
Ma'am, first you have to do 90 divided by 20, and then after that you have to do, then after you get the answer, then you have to do that times 100.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, and then after that, once we get 450 as our answer, do we just divide that by divide that into 4, which is 25%?
Uh,
No,
no,
sorry,
Emma.
we need to do profit. So
Yes, profit.
25% profit would be
Can you just repeat what you were saying, ma'am, to me? Because I had a problem with my device. It was not letting me hear you.
Ma'am, is the answer 562.5?
Yes, Emma, it's coming.
Ma'am, I did something. So after I got the 450, I did divided by 4, and then I got the answer of 112.5. So then I just added that to 450.
Okay. Okay, Emma, all right. It is that too you can do, Emma. Okay. Because 25% is like half, like
Yes, ma'am.
1/4.
It was
The
quarter. But otherwise, if there's like harder with different types, then I will do it like with the method.
percent.
But now, since it was little, it would have been easier to do this way. I did it this way.
Okay, it's correct then. Okay, Abraham and Joshua, are you all getting?
Ma'am, I'm getting 106.25.
106.25.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm doing cost price per banana 90 upon 20. 90 upon 20. Cancel the zeros.
Ma'am,
And you divide 9 by 2. Okay, you will get 4.5. Okay, then you have to calculate.
Then you have to multiply by 100.
Yes, cost price for 100 banana. Cost price of 100 banana.
450.
Yes, 4.5 into, which is 450. Okay, then in the next step we calculate profit. Calculate the profit. For that, we will do 25% of 450. So 25 upon 100 into 450.
The answer is 112.5.
5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. Okay, then you'll multiply, cancel, you'll get 112.50. Okay, 112.5. Then the next step is we'll find out the selling price. Selling price is SP equals to cost price plus profit. Cost price is how much?
Cost price is
450.
450 plus 112.5 equals to 562.5.
562.5 is my selling price. Okay, understood now.
Yes, ma'am.
Joshua
Yes,
understood.
yes, ma'am.
Joshua, write this down. First thing. Abraham understood.
Yes, ma'am.
It may take me a while to send all the science paper today. Okay. It's gonna take me a little bit to send all the science paper today. Then submit it to me by tomorrow. Okay. Do it today. Tomorrow is the deadline. So Abraham and Emma, submit it to me by tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Maths test, I think I'll be keeping it next week Tuesday.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
My question is that
Cannot hear you, Abraham.
no, ma'am, that was me.
That was you? Okay.
I have to log out, ma'am.
Okay, Joshua. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll send the homework in the group, okay?
Okay. Bye,
During
ma'am.
the
Thank you.
holiday.
Bye, Abraham.
See you Monday. Bye.
Ma'am, wait. There's no class tomorrow.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. There is no class tomorrow, Joshua, okay? There is
Ma'am, I
independent
you
holiday.
sent to the group.
Because Hardik
Yeah, I sent it. Okay. Okay, bye.
A belated Independence Day to you.
Thank you, Joshua. Same to you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
And we don't
Yes,
have
Abraham.
science today either, right?
No, we don't have science today. I'll send the science test, but it may take me a while. Okay. It may take me a while to send you the science test today, but do it later tomorrow. Okay. And like later today or late or tomorrow, whenever you get time, send it to me by tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Anything else? Maths
No,
test
ma'am.
should go to next week, Tuesday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. See you all next week. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.